Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another episode with Switchblade Wade's EDC. I hope you're all good. Today we have another awesome video with all my 11-inch or 28 centimeter stiletto switchblades or Italian stiletto switchblades. Before we begin, I would like you to like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Comment below, tell me do you have any Italian stilettos and are you a collector. It's been a week since I released the video, but it's all good. Finally got the time now to release another video of all my beautiful 28 centimeter or 11-inch stiletto switchblade automatic knives. Italian goodness, baby, here we go. So first things first, let's take a look at the first one over here. Which one is gonna be? Which one is gonna be? I'm going to take let's see, let's take this one. So all these knives have been reviewed on the channel before, so if you go back into my videos you will see all these knives there on separate videos for themselves. I just have to make sure that this thing is going to zoom nicely. There we go. So this one is a 11-inch ebony wood Frank Beltrame. So without further ado, so guys, just before we carry on, this is going to be a long video, so sit back, relax, get a nice drink, get something to eat and enjoy the goodness that we're about to receive right here. So this is my first Kris Italian Stiletto Switchblade from Frank Beltrame. I'll be zooming in nicely there. There we go. Safety works nice on here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just move all others to the side so we don't get distracted. So yeah, safety works great. There we go. Just a beautiful piece as well. Frank B, Italy, as you can see there. Let's get the zoom right there. Just a beautiful piece in my collection. This one has got a smaller back spring because it's an older older model. Also guys, don't forget to check out our Webstore. We have loads of switchblades there, stiletto switchblades, so don't forget to find something you can purchase for yourself or gifts or whoever. Beautiful one over here, fires nicely. Okay, let's check out the new one. I'll put this one to the side so long. Let's look at, let me see what we're going to get over here. Let's take a Bayonet. So here's a worn Bayo. Frank Beltrame as well, Italian stiletto. See, these newer ones have the bigger back springs. There we go. So bring this up a bit here. Okay, camera zooming in nicely. Safety works as it should. Oh, just a beautiful one. So yeah, this is me showcasing all my 11-inch stiletto switchblades, Italian stiletto switchblades, because these are the real deal, guys. The real deal. Just a beautiful piece as well. Let's get some shots like this in there. Just a beautiful piece. Give it another fire. Another look-see. Keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Just a beautiful piece as well. Happy to have it in my collection. A nice dark horn. Cow's horn, maybe. Not sure what horn exactly, but genuine one. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, let's take out something different. Let's look at this beauty over here. Another Frank Beltrame 28cm Italian Stiletto Switchblade. This horn is called blonde horn or honey horn. And this one has a Kris blade. Ooh, this one snaps nice and with authority. Beautiful piece. Frank Beltrame, as you can see. Kris blade. This one is a newer one. I got this one last year. Here you got that thicker back spring there. Yeah, let's fire this bad boy up again. This one is nice and solid still. Well, all of them are, but yeah, this one fires hard. Frank B. Italy, as you can see the tang stamp there. Just a beautiful piece. Look at that fade on the horn. Just got that old school 60s look, 50s, 60s look. Look at that, the brass liners, everything shiny good there. Just beautiful piece. So yeah guys, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, comment, tell me where you're from. Do you collect these knives, Italian Stiletto Switchblades? And most importantly, don't forget to visit our website. We have loads of switchblades there for sale. Stiletto switchblades, 13 inch, 9 inches assorted. We've got lots of stuff there. Okay, next one. We've got a few more. Okay, let's pick something different. La 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 la. Okay, let's look at this one. This one is a swing guard. Also Frank Beltrame goodness. Also, this one is ebony wood also. So this one is a swing guard because the guards over here swing when you fire them. Oh, also fires nice. This one is a dagger blade. This is one of the first stiletto switchblades I got from Frank Beltrame, my personal collection. It just looks like a badass resi, new school resi, Resato. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get this one up like that. So thank you for joining me again. Please stick around till the end of the video because there's loads more to show. So yeah, don't forget to visit our web store, guys. We have loads of switchblades there. Also we have our signature tang stamp ebony wood swing guards, and also our buck 110 and 112 custom model with our signature switchblades EDC tang stamp. So don't be shy. The link will be at the bottom of this video, and also on our home page. Okay, so don't forget. Just a beautiful piece, dagger blade. What more can I say, man? Just beautiful. Frank Beltrame goodness. Actually, all my 11 inches are Frank Beltrame, so we'll only be seeing Frankie B's here, as you can see on the tank stamp. It's a beautiful piece, happy to have it in my collection. I had another one a few years ago, but I sold it off. It was just a few swing guards, so I might have new Frank Beltrame swing guards for sale soon. We'll see how it goes. Let's fire this one more time and take a look at the others. Beautiful piece, as you can see. Just a stunner. Let's take something else out here. Let's look at this one. Here we have a Brazilian horn, 28 centimeter or 11 inch Italian stiletto. So this one is, why is the zoom in a bit so difficult here? There we go. Beautiful Brazilian horn. Guys, subscribe, don't forget to like the video and visit our web store at the end of this video. Links will be in the description of this video. There we go, another beautiful bayonet blade. Frank B. Italy, as you can see. I think I need to oil this one up a bit. It's been a while since I've been playing around with it. Just beautiful fade on the Brazilian horn right here, as you can see. Beautiful. Got the brass liners, a thick back spring. I think it might be too dark here where I'm filming for the zooming. Anyway, let's fire this one. It's beautiful. One of my birthday pieces. Got this for my birthday like 2 years ago, 3 years ago maybe. Just a beautiful, beautiful stunner. Bayonet blade, 28 centimeter goodness. Look at that. Beautiful. So guys, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you like the videos, this videos will be recommended to more people who also like these knives, so that's a good thing. So if you can do that, that will be awesome. And visit our web store, our link will be in the description. You can go crazy on the switchblades that are for sale there. We have loads of them. One more fire for this one, and we will check something else out. Okay, next one we're going to look at is this beauty of mine. Oh, look at that. Another swing guard. This one is camel bone. So it's not ivory, it's got the same look as ivory, as you can see. Very beautiful. Just nice yellow cream bone. Beautiful. This one's also a 28 centimeter swing guard, one of my beauties. Oh yeah, here we go. Frank Beltrame again. Just beautiful. Stunner. Another stunner. One of my prized possessions. This one and the ebony swing guard was my first purchases from Frank Beltrame. My first Frank Beltrames. We do have swing guards on the website, so check it out. Don't forget to check out the swing guards there. Beautiful piece. Creamy camel bone. Just beautiful. Safety still works. This one I got 2019 going into 2020. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. So tell me, do you guys collect Italian stilettos as well? It'll be cool to hear from you. Comment below. Tell me at the end of the video which one of my 11-inch Italian stiletto switchblades are your favorite. And don't forget to check out our web store. We have a few for sale there. We actually have a lot for sale. So don't be shy, go check it out if you want to get your own. We have everything you could want. Beautiful knife. Let's check out another one. Okay, our last one we're going to look at is another Brazilian horn here. Look at that beautiful Brazilian horn. Almost as rather like the other one there, the Bayonet. But this one is, as you can see, that wavy blade there. Another beautiful fade on the horn there at the back. This is a brand new one. I got it last year. So this one is a Kris blade. Beautiful piece. Beltrame as well. Just try and get the focus going there. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. But this one is stamped, this Beltrame is stamped DM. So there's a collaboration with a few other sellers in Italy, friend of mine, and Beltrame. This is where they got to choose the one for these knives. Very beautiful. I always wanted this style Kris, and finally I got it now. Beautiful piece. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Let's fire this bad boy up. Woo, baby. Gotta keep on rolling. You know what time it is. Got the PM stamp there. Oh, the wind is picking up here. It's very hot here in South Africa. Summertime now. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So I hope you're still with me here, guys, and you never clicked off yet. For those of you still with me, thank you. I hope you're enjoying this. Also subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment so more people can get recommended to this channel, because it's all for the love of with the switchblades, baby. All for the love of Italian stiletto switchblades. Okay. So, and also don't forget to check out our web store. So let's put them all back here quickly in no given order. So here's all these beautiful pieces. Maybe I can just take a little snap here. There we go. Okay, so let's just do a little last flick for all of them. See, shit, didn't want that to happen. Phone stand's a bit shit, but anyway, gotta keep on rolling. You know what time it is. So let's just close everyone again. So these you unlock here the swing guards, the stilettos you unlock here. It's called a swivel bar bolster for those who are unfamiliar. So swivel close there, swivel close. So this is my 28 centimeter or 11-inch Italian stiletto collection. my pride and joys. Okay, so we're gonna do something like this for each one of them. Beautiful, just beautiful. Ooh. That's right, baby. So this one's a dagger swing guard. Next one on the list here, another ebony stiletto switchblade. This one is a Kris, beautiful piece as well. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, so it can be recommended to more people, and don't forget to, at the end of this video, check out our web store. Our link is in the bio. Okay, got a dark one here. So we got the Bayonet blade over here. There we go, it's beautiful. I like the Brazilian one and the dark one and the white ones. Don't really like any other colors, to be honest. Any fancy colors. Because these are the old school colors, the real colors, you know. Let's get another one here. What do we have? Got the blonde one, stiletto switchblade. Got this one nice and creamy, just beautiful. Got that 50-60 swirl there. Beautiful piece. This one fires so hard. I love it. Here we go. Look how shiny that liners are. Just beautiful piece. Creamy blonde one, or honey one. So we got the Kris blonde over here. Beautiful. Okay, then we have another Brazilian one. It's beautiful. This one is a Bayonet blade. So these two I bought together for my birthday a couple of years ago. Guys, don't forget to check out our web store. Link is in our bio. We have loads of switchblades available there for your purchase. Fast shipping. Our cheapest 9-inch. We have loads of assorted scales on the handles. I think they go for $45 each, guys, so don't miss out on those special offer. Swing guards as well. Kris bayonet blades. Just beautiful, look at them. So for those of you that are still with me, thank you. Hope you're enjoying the content. Don't forget to check out the other videos as well. And here's the one we looked at before. Beautiful one. Again. Beautiful fade. Back and the front. Kris, another Kris. Frank Beltrame, Italy once again. Gotta keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Beautiful. So thank you for joining me and checking out my 11-inch 28cm Italian Stiletto Switchblades. We'll give them all one last flick and then we'll wrap up the video. Gotta love Italian stilettos, man. So all of these are Frank Beltrame. They're the more budget-friendly stiletto switchblades, but they're very solid pieces and great for those just starting out. You know this is expensive hobby and the pick locks can cost lots of money. But yeah, more videos coming up on the channel soon. So stick around and subscribe if you don't want to miss out any new content. Check out our Webstore, guys. Don't forget that. You can get loads of switchblades for yourself there. Beautiful. So these two actually kind of go together. So here we are, guys. Thank you so much for joining Switchblade Wade. It's EDC once again. Here's all the bad boys and bad girls. Guys, like the video so it can get recommended to more people. Also, subscribe to the channel, guys, so you can see more content like this coming up. And also check out our Webstore, guys. There's loads of switchblades there. We have levers, we have swing guards, we have OTFs, lots of OTFs there, guys. We have what do we have? 13-inch stiletto switchblades, assorted colors and handles, and we also have get another chair. We have loads, guys. I can't remember all of them. Just check out the channel. Loads of stuff there. So don't miss out. Get yourself some nice affordable switchblades. We also have some other stuff on the website. We have watches, so you might want to get something for yourself or others. Just make sure this thing is. So thank you for joining me once again. I hope you enjoying the content. Also check out all our other videos on the channels, guys. We have separate reviews on all these beauties over here. More content to come soon. And thank you for enjoying the journey with me. And don't forget to check out the Webstore, guys. Link in the bio and at the bottom of this description here. Don't miss out, guys. Get your switchblades now. Fast shipping to the USA. Fast shipping. And check out what else we got there. And keep it flicky, my friends. And I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and check out our website. Peace. I love you all.